welcome back to my channel. This is Jennifer, owner and proprietor of Star Studded Status Baskets and Bouquets, and we are going to be doing a Valentine's Day blow pop buffet bouquet, excuse me. And this is how the first one came out that I did, and we're going to do another one real quick. So we have our container here. We have put a piece of styrofoam in the bottom for the balloon that we're going to use, which is going to be this one. And then I have used some a styrofoam piece glued to the top, hot glue to the top, and then I have some two-sided tape that I have put on here. So I already had that started, and we will go ahead and take this piece off. Oh shoot. Overlap. No problem. And then we're going to take our ribbon. We'll go around the circumference of and then cut off the extra. This is the front. Now, what I forgot to do on this one was do my cover here, but we will improvise. Let's see what we will do. Okay, well, let's get our balloon going here. We're gonna cut this down some. Let's see, about right here. And I'm going to put a little glue on the bottom of my stick so that when I puncture this, it goes through, and it actually sticks to that bottom foam. I don't know if you heard that, but there we are. We have a strong base. Okay. Now for the time being, we're gonna take this out so that we can clear our workspace. And then let me think about what I'm gonna do real quick, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, now we're back, and we improvised here with the shred. We just hot glued it onto the top of our bouquet. And so now we're just gonna go ahead and set this up. The first one I did, I started on the inside. I want to start on the outside, and I just retwist these just to make sure they are secure. And so I'll do every other one. See, one side says blow pop, and then the other side says greatest. I think they say different things. This one says be mine, totally yours. So yeah, they all say little things. You're sweet. Aw. But yeah, as I always say, I don't want to spend too much time with this video. So let's go ahead like this little project. Pretty simple. Not a lot of fuss. When you push down, you just want to make sure that you know your own strength, and you don't, go in too far. And so let's get this one. Okay. So if I'm not mistaken, it should be about 20-ish suckers. The last one I think had 21 suckers in it. So we're gonna do this. Oh, see, that's what I'm talking about there. Gotta. Hey guys, if you are looking for projects to do, you can find them on Pinterest. You can come up with your own little clever ideas, by all means. And I actually use the that hard styrofoam, and not that garden foam. I know some people use that, but that's just too soft. And I know the purpose for that is actually to, wet. And I actually got some left. So let's see where we want to fill in. I don't think no more fit. So let's say we're done. And just for the sake of making sure everything is sturdy, we put a little hot glue on the stick there so that doesn't come off. And this is actually my back, so let's turn this around. And you can still make adjustments. But this is how it turned out. And this is a nice little gift item that you could give someone for Valentine's Day. And this is the back. And what I usually do, just to avoid this from happening, is I usually take a little hot glue and maybe I didn't put enough. A little hot glue. So that this handle is not flying all over the place. There we go. So guys, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. It's gonna be right over there. And like, share, and try out your creativity. See what you can do. Let's make this money. Until next time.